Hello, my friends. If you're new here, welcome. And if you're returning, thank you for coming back. My name is Irene Claire, and this is 79 weeks of growing out my gray hair. So today I wanted to talk a little bit about wash day. I have already washed my hair, but I just wanted to cover what I do prior to, and I'll show you how I style it wavy. So on wash day, I've already done this, like I said, I will oil my scalp. So what I do is I take a dropper, I separate my hair, and I'll go ahead and I'll oil my entire scalp. And then I'll go in and I'll massage it really, really good. Leave it in for at least 30 minutes, but up to 3 hours, depending on what I have going on during the day. I would say on average, it's probably about a 3-hour window that I like to keep it in. But if I do want a more intense treatment, I can just leave it in overnight. After I oil, I go ahead and I wash and shampoo. Currently, I am using Sylvan & London shampoo and conditioner. I really like this purple hair shampoo because, first of all, it doesn't dry. It helps to reduce any brassy tones without adding any blue to it. Some blue-purple shampoos that I've tried in the past will leave like a little hint, a hue of either like a purple or a blue, which I don't really like. So this is a really nice light one that doesn't dry your hair out. You could use it every day if you wanted to. And it's light in color. Woo, see that? There you go. So it's light in color and it's gentle. It just works really nice and leaves my hair shiny and moisturized. The conditioner is white. So it's just the shampoo that has the color to it. So, okay, so I've washed and conditioned my hair. And before I start styling it, I always make sure to use a heat protectant. Currently, I am using Wow and Wow Dream Coat. This was sent to me to try. It's been working good, no complaints. So it's what I have. I'll go ahead and apply it to my ends. And of course, my silvers, we don't want them to yellow. Next, I apply the Silver and Sage Hair Strengthening Oil to the ends of my hair. This will help lock in moisture and protect my hair from damage. A little bit goes a long way. About half a dropper is all I use on all of this hair. After I apply, I'll go ahead and just brush it all through. I really don't have a problem with my hair tangling. If you do, always make sure to start brushing at the ends and then pull through because you don't want to have any breakage. So, okay. I also wanted to mention I do dry my hair with microfiber hair towels. They are just nice and light on your hair. It helps to absorb the water out easily and gently, unlike a regular hair towel that can damage your hair. So if you don't have one, get one. Next, when I'm styling my hair wavy, I take out my Lange dryer brush. You have to use it on hair that's 70% dry for it to work the best. Just think of it as when you go to the salon, they first dry your hair and then they take the brush out with the dryer. This is a styling tool. It's not a blow dryer to dry your hair. So you want to go in and either let your hair air dry or blow dry it until it's about 70% dry. Right now, I would say I can go in and use this on my entire head and it would work beautifully. However, I get impatient, so I don't use this on my whole head. I use it on my bangs. What I use on my whole head after I dry this part is my Lange Duo. This guy has little holes that provide airflow, so when you're styling it curly and you're wrapping it around, it helps to set the curls, which is really awesome. I love this guy. I'll have links also down below. Oh, and for the shampoo, I have a discount code you could use. But yeah, I'll have links for all the products I'm talking about in the description below for you. So once I get to my bangs, since I'm going to be blow drying all this, once I get to my bangs, I'll go ahead and I'll mist with water again, because like I said, you want your hair to be damp when you're styling it with the air dryer. And if you don't have one, you can just use a blow dryer and a round brush. So I'm going to go ahead and start blow drying because like I said, I like to use the Lange Duo first and then I use the air dryer. One thing I wanted to mention is I don't use this on high heat. I use this on the lowest heat setting possible. I try to stay away from as much heat as possible. So yeah, less damaging to the hair. We want our hair to grow long and strong, right? Okay, it is all dry. Now it definitely needs some styling. Now that my hair is sectioned, I'll go ahead and warm this puppy up. Just so you know, I do not crank it up like I used to when my hair was all black. Now I take it up to 360. So definitely not all the way. None of that anymore. Gotta protect my baby grays. So, okay, the airflow feature will automatically turn on. If you don't like the airflow feature, you don't want to use it, you can just hit that button right there. It looks like a little fan and that'll turn it off. Once it reaches 360, you'll hear it turn on. There it is. So it's not a strong wind that comes out of here. It's just enough to help cool the hair when it's wrapped around after it's been on the heat. I'm gonna go ahead and fast forward through all this so you don't have to watch the whole thing. Just want to give you an idea. When I'm up towards the top, I'll go ahead and just tap it through a few times and then I'll pull it through towards the ends. Then I finger coil it and just let it sit there. That helps to keep the shape longer. I take smaller pieces when I'm getting closer to the front, and I move a lot quicker over those white hairs. How's it looking back there? All right, now we are getting close. Now that we are here, I like to make a clean line. Okay, all I have left is the bangs. Okay, from here I'll add some water. Not too much. That's about good right there. And I'm gonna go back and over with it. Turn this puppy on like this down here. Now, if you want to set a little bit longer, go ahead and take the barrel off by pushing that down and twisting. You can let that sit for a little bit and cool down. Once it's done, you can remove that. And then I start to break apart the curls. There you have it. That is my routine for soft waves. I really wish I didn't cut bangs, but they'll grow back. I liked it better longer in the front. But I got a little wild hair there and I just felt like cutting bangs, so it is what it is. If you enjoyed today's content, please drop me a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for being here with me today. Until next time, my friends, Irene Claire, out. The best way to support this channel is by investing in yourself. Celebrate the beauty of aging gracefully and embrace the journey to healthier, more radiant skin and hair. Explore our premium pro-age products by visiting silverandsage.co.